In this video, I will show you how to deploy WebEx application using Intune. Download WebEx MSI setup file from the WebEx official page. I will give the link on description. Go Microsoft Intune Admin Center and click on Apps. Select Windows and click on Create App. Select app type as Line of Business App. Line of Business App supports MSI packages, give name, description and publisher name. Select same options showing on this video. I have configured multi-admin approval for the new apps. You will not get same page on review page. App package will create once it's uploaded. Thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting. Hasta la vista.